Bullish Cronos cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 33 cents and 62 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept CRO could reach 25 cents by 2025. Bearish Cronos market cost expectation for 2023 is 5 cents. Cronos presentation. Digital currencies are the fury at the present time. And for good explanation, they offer a better approach to contribute and deal with your funds. One digital money that is especially interesting is Cronos. While it may not be too known as Bitcoin or Ethereum, Cronos flaunts a few great elements that could make it a competitor in the crypto world. Here, we'll investigate Cronos and its potential cost forecasts. So assuming you're interested about this promising coin, read on. Cronos is a decentralized blockchain stage that spotlights on building a fair and effective economy. Cronos plans to accomplish this by giving a biological system that permits clients to make, share, and adapt content and applications. The Cronos Group accepts that this will advance development and inventiveness. In this blog entry, we will investigate the Cronos cost expectation and break down how this stage could be important for financial backers. Here is a finished date about the CRO crypto cost expectation. Least cost esteem, least cost, future cost, and more to check whether it would be a wise speculation for you to purchase CRO token. What is Cronos? Cronos is a cryptographic money that was made fully intent on working on the most common way of marking and procuring rewards. The undertaking is intended to be instinctive and simple to use, with an emphasis on furnishing clients with an incredible encounter. The symbolic itself depends on the Ethereum blockchain and can be utilized for exchanges on the Ethereum organization. Cronos is a utility symbolic that helps power the Monaco digital money stage. Monaco permits clients to purchase, sell, and exchange digital currencies, as well as use them for ordinary exchanges like shopping and travel. The more Cronos tokens you have marked, the better the prizes. The CRO token is a significant piece of the Monaco environment. It's utilized to pay exchange charges and helps power the organization. At the point when you hold CRO in your Monaco wallet, you'll procure interest on your saved assets. Cronos specialized investigation. The Cronos token has been on major areas of strength for us since some time, breaking out of a drawn-out combination range. The breakout has been driven by expanding requests from purchasers, as shown by the rising volume and bullish cost activity. Dealers utilize different specialized instruments for CRO coin cost expectation utilizing authentic market information. A portion of the well-known specialized pointers include oscillators. An oscillator is a specialized examination device that is utilized to gauge force. Energy estimates the pace of progress in cost after some time. The most well-known oscillators are the general strength list, the stochastic oscillator, and the MACD. Oscillators are helpful in recognizing whether a market is overbought or oversold. At the point when an oscillator is overbought, it implies that the market is expected for a pullback. At the point when an oscillator is oversold, it implies that the market is expected for a bounce back. Moving normal. The moving normal is a specialized marker that is utilized to decide the heading of a market. It does this by taking the typical cost of a security over a set time frame. There are various kinds of moving midpoints, yet the most widely recognized ones are the straightforward moving normal and the dramatic moving normal. The SMA is determined by taking the amount of all costs over a specific time frame and afterward separating it by the quantity of costs in that period. The EMA is like the SMA, yet it gives more weight to ongoing costs. The moving normal is a trailing result, and that implies that it depends on past costs and won't foresee future cost developments. In any case, it tends to be utilized to distinguish drifts and affirm other specialized markers. Cronos current cost. Cronos is right now worth 7 cents USD. CRO has moved 1.93% as of now with an exchanging volume of $18,771,213. Cronos is at present position 29 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,857,603,264 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Cronos to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Cronos market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Cronos value expectation 2023. Cronos, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The CRO cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 11 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. CRO is supposed to have a base worth of 8 cents. Cronos value forecast 2024. In 2024, Cronos' Crow cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of Crow will before long outperform 18 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Crow's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Crow will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 14 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 16 cents. Cronos value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 25 cents and Crow might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Crow is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 23 cents and a low of 22 cents in 2025. Cronos value expectation 2026. Assuming Cronos effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Crow coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Crow will be green in 2026. The Crow is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 33 cents, with a base cost of 29 cents and a typical cost of 30 cents. Cronos value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Crow cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 38 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 36 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Crow has a greatest value worth of 40 cents. Cronos value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 45 cents. On the off chance that Crow figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 47 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Crow needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 44 cents. Cronos value expectation 2029. While Crow is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 51 cents and a yearly cost close above 55 cents in 2029. Cronos value expectation 2030. By 2030, Cronos will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 58 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 62 cents, averaging out at 60 cents. Cronos value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Crow cost in 2031 is projected to be 72 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 69 cents. And the Cronos cost estimate is to arrive at a most extreme cost esteem in the approaching future. Be that as it may, the Cronos coin cost today is being exchanged at a typical exchanging cost. The Cronos token has seen a ton of consideration lately because of its